Hello everyone, Nate Kopic here from Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid Limited. Stock number 28216T. This one is like it's called Cordovan is the color. It's kind of got like a high red metallic flake in it. We got fog lights down here in the grille. Nice chrome accent. Got these sensors here. These nice aluminum 18-inch wheels. Your plug-in, because it's a hybrid. Chrome capped mirrors with turning signals built in. Also got the nice chrome around the bottom here. Vehicle it's pretty much fully loaded. Power everything, windows, mirrors, locks. It's also got power heated and ventilated seats. Premium black leather. 8.4-inch Uconnect radio. Now you can also do things from this radio like control all of your climate. Basically, almost anything you can do from here, you can do from there. Minus like this is the park sense, the blind spot monitoring, and lane sense. Turn dial, gear select. This thing's friggin' fully loaded. Automatic doors, push button here to open your doors, back hatch. Dual pane sunroof, which it also has the sunroof all the way in the back too. So it's got basically the whole roof's a skylight. DVD system, USB ports. This thing's a freaking fully loaded. Heated steering wheel. This is a two-tone heated steering wheel. It's got the white and black leather both on there. Cruise control. Adaptive cruise control settings. So these buttons here, you'd be able to control things in your dash as far as like your fuel mileage and trips, things of that nature. On the back side of the steering wheel, we have controls for your stereo. Going to be able to help you control things like presets and volume. It is the Harman Kardon, so it does have the premium sound system. Let's take a look in the back here. It does have effortless sliding doors, power, reclining captain chairs that also do fold forward. Now, something to keep in mind on the hybrids, is that they do not have stow and go seating. Normally you would stow and go your seat underneath here. The hybrid actually has a battery there. Something I do want to mention is that these are quick release seats and they still are removable from the vehicle, giving you all of this room in here once you fold the back seats down. Let's pull this up here just to show you the DVD entertainment and built into the back of the seat. It does have rear climate control as well. And there's a button here. Again, effortless opening. The back's the same way, automatic. You just barely touch it. It's going to be a real convenient feature when trying to get those groceries or whatever you want to get in the back here. I got this seat folded down here to show how these stow and go in the back. So once the quick releases are gone, you can take those out of the vehicle. Again, you're going to have all of this storage in here. It's real nice. Push button to close again. Such a handy feature. All in all, they build these Pacificas. They're so elegant on the inside, in my opinion. A real top-notch vehicle. Again, this is a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid Limited, stock number 28216T. My name is Nate Kopic. Give me a call today at 937-778-0830, or also make sure you visit our website at sherrychrysler.com.